We're making peach basil lemonade. Start by pitting and slicing 4 or 5 very ripe peaches. Add 2 cups of water to a saucepan, 2 cups of sugar, some basil leaves, and fresh thyme because we're making a simple syrup. Put it on the stovetop, bring it to a simmer, and let it simmer for a good 5 to 7 minutes until it turns a little bit thicker and syrupy. Strain the simple syrup into a fine mesh strainer and set aside and allow to cool. It's time to juice the lemons. Roll them on the counter to get the juices flowing, and then you'll need about 6 or 7 lemons for about 1.25 cups to 1.5 cups of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Make good use of the rinds by adding them to the jug. Also slice up 1 peach and add it to the jug along with the lemon slices. Pour the lemon juice into the jug with the slices and then add some fresh thyme and fresh basil leaves. Now you can add the cool, simple syrup into the jug with the slices and also filtered water, about 1.5 quarts. Stir it well to combine. Now you can refrigerate until you're ready to serve. So good. Serve over ice with a garnish of fresh lemon, a straw, and some fresh basil. Get the full recipe at kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.